We're here today with captain of the unfortunately losing team, but still advancing on the away goal rule, Captain Richard Livingston. Unfortunate result today, but still managing to advance to the second round. Speak to us about how you guys are feeling right now after this game.
Losing the game is always disappointing, but advancing to the quarterfinals, so a joy to us and the team.
Alright, so you guys would have come into this game, right? Ahead by a goal, 2-1 on aggregate. What was your guys' spirits and expectations going into today's game?
Coach gave us a plan. The plan was to score more, but unfortunately, we didn't score any. But they scored one and we defend the rest to advance.
Alright, so we saw you come off quite early in the game. Please speak to us about your substitution and what caused that.
Since the 5th game of the season, I've been playing with a groin injury. But I still, as a captain, I'm fighting for my team out there. My coach asked me to play, so I did what I did, and then I came off.
Alright, real quick, just speak to us about your performance and the team's performance in the game at Prison Oval, where you guys managed to beat them at their home field, 2-1. Speak to us about that performance. Between
those two games, this game has less quality, I think, because at Prison Oval we dominated right throughout the game. Unfortunately, the quality job in this game.
Alright, going forward, you guys have already managed to conquer the first round. You guys have managed to get past the second round, the quarterfinals. Speak to us about the expectations that you have of St. Andrew Technical High School in the quarterfinals.
It's actually, we're looking to dominate the next group with the 3 games, win the semi-final game and head to the finals.
Alright, thank you so much, Doctor.